Hey everyone! Welcome back to Master English. It's me, Amber. Last time we completed the first part of the International Phonetic Alphabet. Now we will begin with part 2, dual tone sounds. First we'll start with some vocabulary. Then practice sentences using these words. So, let's get right to it. These are IPA sounds. Please repeat after me. Ear, fɪər, bɪər, nɪər, hɪər, klɪər, tɪər, dɪər, tʃɪər, and jɪər. Now, let's try some sentences with these words. Once again, please repeat after me. The first word is ear. Number 1. She whispered something in his ear. Number 2. The baby's ear was small and delicate. Number 3. He has a sharp ear for music. The next word is fɪər. Number 1. She has a fear of heights. Number 2. The fear of failure can be paralyzing. Number 3. He conquered his fear and spoke in front of the crowd. The next word is nɪər. Number 1. The store is near my house. Number 2. She sat near the window to get some sunlight. Number 3. The holidays are near and everyone is excited. Now let's go over the word klɪər. Number 1. The sky was clear and blue. Number 2. She gave clear instructions to the team. Number 3. It became clear that they needed more time. The last word is tʃɪər. Number 1. The crowd began to cheer as the team scored. Number 2. She tried to cheer him up after the bad news. Number 3. A loud cheer erupted from the audience. Great job, everyone. Let's go over the vocabulary once more. Ear, fɪər, bɪər, nɪər, hɪər, klɪər, tɪər, dɪər, tʃɪər, jɪər. Excellent work! You're on your way to mastering dual tone sounds. Be sure to check out more of our Master English videos, books, products, social media, and Patreon to access exclusive content that'll help you achieve all your language goals faster. The links are in the description below. Thanks again! This is Amber with Master English, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.